Since 1994, the Vincennes Education Foundation has proudly supported our teachers and students in the Vincennes Community School Corporation through classroom grants and scholarships. Every day, we help create opportunities that inspire learning, fuel creativity, and empower our students to reach their full potential. Because of the generosity of our community, that impact continues to grow, strengthening our schools today and shaping the future of our students.
Thank you, VEF, for supporting Little Alice Learning Center.
I'm Valerie Grumio, and I am the K-5 STEM teacher at Vigo Elementary and over at Tecumseh Elementary as well. As a classroom teacher, I've always used my own money every year to supplement my classroom. STEM materials get expensive. They're kind of on the pricier side. So something like the Doodler pen set, where I need an entire set for a whole classroom to use week to week to week, that's a really hard pill for me to swallow, to think about purchasing that myself. Whereas I can write a VEF grant, and they're kind enough to offer to me then to purchase these things to add to our design studio. We have to thank the VEF, the Vincennes Education Foundation, for all that they do for teachers and students to give us those extra things that we normally would not get in our classrooms. They are a valuable addition to our corporation.
Thank you to the VEF for letting us learn about 3D pins.
Thank you, VEF, for all you do.
Hi, my name is Amaya Woodall, and I'm currently a freshman at Western Kentucky University in Bowling Green. I'm on my second semester here and studying in nursing, and I just want to give a huge thanks to the Vincennes Education Foundation for believing in me and helping me achieve my future goals. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Quarterman. I'm from Tecumseh Harrison Elementary School, and I teach kindergarten. The VEF so kindly donated these items to my classroom that help my students with fine motor activities. I think it's important to build up the muscle strength in the students' hands so they can have that dexterity and be able to write their letters the best that they can. So whenever they move into the future, into first grade, they're ready to write longer sentences and write stories and draw pictures and use their imagination. So that is why I'm very thankful for the VEF this year, because they've so gladly donated all of these items to my classroom for their fine motor this year. Thank you.
Thank you, VEF.
Hi there, I'm Becky Bushy, and Kalina McCormick and we have been working on our annual career fair. The career fair is for all Lincoln High School students as well as all Clark Middle School students.
We have over 100 businesses that attend, all local and in the local area. This is our 4th year doing the career fair. We need signage for that, we need cards for that, and all of those things cost money, and all of that was generously provided by the grant from the VEF. Since we started, we have seen such a difference in our students. It's making a huge impact on their professionalism, on their ability to go up and speak to businesses. We are forever grateful to the VEF for their support of this endeavor, and we know that it's just going to get better and better each year.
Hi, my name is Zoe Heron. I'm currently in my 2nd semester at Purdue University studying engineering and interdisciplinary performance. I'd like to say thank you to the Vincennes Education Foundation and its donors for awarding me their scholarship. It has been so incredibly helpful in continuing my academic journey and pursuing my professional goals. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Corey McCrary, and I want to say thank you for awarding me the Vincennes Education Foundation Scholarship. This scholarship has helped me achieve my goals and focus on my classes. I will be earning my psychology degree in May from Lincoln Land in Springfield, Illinois, and then I plan on transferring to a 4-year college to continue my education. I am truly grateful for this opportunity, and again, I just want to say thank you for awarding me the scholarship.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Jones, and I'm in my 2nd semester here at the University of Kentucky. I'm studying communications with a minor in law and justice on the pre-law track. I've enjoyed making new friends, going to classes, and creating new experiences. I'm so excited for this next step in my life thanks to the donors of the Vincennes Education Foundation. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kelly Wisely and I teach math remediation at Clark Middle School. It's a little non-traditional setting. We do a lot of hands-on activities. A lot of the resources that we use in our classroom have been provided by VEF over the years, including even just clipboards that my students use as they go around the room to answer questions. The calculators have been sort of replenished over the years. We also use a lot of cards with magnets that stick to the board, and even just things such as scissors and glue for some of our activities. VEF has provided those for us, and it means a lot to me to have the support of VEF. Naturally, our school systems aren't set up to provide a lot of the extra stuff that we need in our classrooms, and so VEF fills in the gap for us. And I really appreciate all that they've done for us.
VEF rocks!
Thank you, VEF, for your donation to my classroom this year.
I got some hands-on phonics manipulatives to help us with some of our interventions for our Phonics First program. I chose these items because students do Phonics First in the morning with me, whole group, and I wanted to find another way to make it more engaging for them when we're doing our intervention groups. And this looked like a really good way to hit a bunch of different phonemic awareness and phonics skills that we needed for our classroom for our students to be successful. So the program came with some different things. We can use word ladders to kind of do word families. We have some beginning matching, ending matching sounds, letter correspondence. We also have just some of those boxes that we use to kind of tap and sound out words and put them together to blend and make just whole words for the kids. It's been a very beneficial addition to my classroom. I have been a part of VEF for 20 years now, and it has helped me so much over the years, whether it's just buying classroom books to help my classroom library, to buying chair sacks, for the kids to have something for their supplies. It's allowed me to help my students and to be successful in the classroom in ways that I couldn't do on my own, out of my own pocket.
Hello, my name is Iva Wisely and I'm on my second semester here at Vincennes University. I am currently majoring in business administration and I'm on track to graduate in 2028 with my bachelor's degree. This scholarship helped me complete college without any college debt and I'm very grateful for it. Thank you.
My first year has definitely been a journey. It was, not just my first year, but the kids' first year. So we have definitely all grown together and been on a journey this year to figure out what works best for all of us in the classroom. Some of the items that I got were basic teacher necessities for a class like this. I got Velcro dots so that I could make visuals for the students and schedules for the students and the things they need to be successful. Several of these students did not speak full sentences at the beginning of the school year. Some of them didn't even speak but 2 or 3 words. So I got things like the storyboards so that we can tell the stories, I can ask questions about the stories, and we can start working on just expressing themselves through the characters and a story that they're already familiar with. When they see the storyboards come out, they put their stuff away and they all come together. They love the storyboards. I have been so appreciative of the opportunity to join the VEF and to apply for the grant. It's been a huge, meaningful impact in my classroom.
We just want to thank the Vincennes Education Foundation for providing us with the tools to help us have the opportunity to succeed.
Thank you, VEF, for your donation to my classroom.
The Vincennes Education Foundation relies on the generosity of our community to continue making a difference in all VCSC schools. Your support helps fund classroom grants, scholarships, and programs that empower our students to thrive and be their best. We invite you to get involved and make a difference in education, whether it's making a donation or attending one of our events. We couldn't do this without you. Together, we can inspire learning and open doors for our students.